Hey guys, welcome to your quick market update. Today is Friday, July 10th. The 30-year fixed is sitting right around the mid to upper sixes, and it's been stuck in that range for about 7 weeks now. We did see a small dip below 6.5 last week, but they ticked right back up to start this week. So it's been super choppy and not trending hard in either direction. This week we received the June jobs report and it came in soft. Only 57,000 jobs added, well below the 115,000 that was expected. And a weaker labor market definitely takes pressure off the Fed to stay aggressive. And it's part of why we're not seeing rates spike right now, even with the Iran conflict starting again. The other piece is mortgage spreads, the gap between the 10-year Treasury and mortgage rates. I spoke about this before, and the gap has shrunk quite a bit, but it's still sitting around 2%, which is wider than the historical norm of 1.6 to 1.8%. That's actually holding rates higher than they otherwise would be. If spreads normalize, that alone could bring rates down, even without the Fed doing anything. Now on to next week, we got a lot of information coming out. It could be some market moving information. On Tuesday, we get the June CPI. Inflation ran hot in May at 4.2% year over year, mainly because the energy prices, oil was through the roof, right? And the market does expect it to ease to around 3.9, but I hope we don't get a surprise there. On Wednesday, we get the PPI wholesale inflation, the producer price index. A hot producer price index number tends to signal consumer prices will follow, which could pressure rates upward. And then finally on Thursday, we get retail sales and jobless claims. Bottom line, guys, is I think we will stay in a tight range until something gives. We either need this Iran conflict actually ends or come to some kind of final long-lasting agreement, or we need the economy to just start moving in a singular direction. I swear to gosh, it's this yo-yo effect. One report comes in great, one report comes in negative, and it's just all around and around we go. So with that said, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Have a great weekend.